Hey YouTube world, yours truly, back with another video, but this time it's a little bit different. This video is a challenge. Now, I've never ever done a challenge video before. This is my first challenge video, 2020, let's start it off right. Problem is, I don't really know how to do a challenge video. I'm not really the type of guy that calls people out. What I need to do is, I probably need to get into character. So let me just challenge video. You wanted a challenge video. Ooh, yeah, I love a challenge. That's why I got the belt. Nobody taking my belt, baby. Ooh, yeah. I'm challenging all the YouTube barbers. All of you. You think you got a challenge? You got challenge champion. Ooh, yeah, I'm the cream of the crop. And I'ma rise to the top. Yeah. Woo! So YouTube barbers, you want my belt? You want my black? You can have the black or the belt, cause I'm the champion. Oh yeah! I'm challenging you, Mr. Chris Basile. Oh yeah, Chris Basile, 360 with your little curly hair. You ain't 360 nothing. Ooh, yeah. I'm the champion. Who else can I call out? Rum Barbers. The Scottish American. Ooh, yeah. The man that knows all about the Clippers. He even gives awards. He ain't never given me an award because I said no pros in his competition. Ooh, yeah. I'm challenging all of you. Every single one of you. So if you got the challenge, you got what it takes. Let me just tell you something now. What you gonna do when Kieron the Barber runs wild on you? Oh guys, I haven't done a promo video in years. That was fun. Okay, guys, so I'm making a challenge. Obviously, you all know, you just heard the Macho King right there, Kieron the Barber, doing his thing. So yeah, guys, listen, if you like my challenge, if you accept my challenge, tag me, hit me up, comment down below what barber you think should take this challenge, and yeah, subscribe to my channel for more challenges, for more videos, for 2020 updates. This is new, this is me, this is what we doing right now. We are big, we are gonna explode this year. So guys, if you like my channel, give it a like. This video deserves at least 300 likes. 300 likes, okay? That's all I'm asking for. Not a lot, not a crazy amount. Get on them likes, hit me up, let me know. I love you all, and the people are challenges, you dead babies. The Twins Formation Challenge. Identical twins, identical haircuts. This is the Twins Formation Challenge. Do you accept it? Yes or yes? Boom. So guys, I'm challenging, as I said, all the YouTube barbers out there. Chris Basile, Dave Fella, Rum Barber, 360, Me and the Barber, all the barbers on there. I'm challenging you all right now. Twins, side by side, identical haircuts. It's as simple as that, really. So we start off with the 2-guard open. We are removing that bulk. There's a lot. Well, not only is this a twins formation video, this is also a transformation video, because look how long their hair was, bless them. Really long. So my only thing with this video, it's my first challenge, etc. Now twin A is on the left and twin B is on the right. That's what we're going to call them, twin A and twin B. Russ and Reese. I don't know which one's which. That's really bad. I should know which one's which. I don't know which one's which. They're identical. How do you know? So twin A, which could be Russ, it could be Reese. I started doing my normal procedure with the haircut. I took it to a standard level, etc, etc, and towards the end of when I was putting the line, he actually wanted to go a little bit higher. So as you can see on Twin B, I've already gone up a little bit higher to get that started. But as you will see, when it forms together at the end, they have identical haircuts. It's just that on the first one, I go a little bit lower because then he asked for it longer. And on Twin B, I already go long. So yeah. This was one of the hardest videos ever to film, to get it, putting it right, putting it in together, making sure it goes at the same kind of pace, etc, etc, and getting it right. So then starting off with our half grade, just flicking up and out. I don't think there is a YouTube video on YouTube that is like this. So guys, if you know of any other channels like this, or you want to challenge your barber to do this challenge, tag your barber down below, tag your barber, tag a barber that you'd like to see do this challenge. I think I could probably do it better now, knowing that I should consultate my clients first properly. But there we go. This is my first time doing this, and the first time challenge. Clip over comb. As you can see, I'm using two different combs because I didn't want you to think they were the same person. I'm using black on Twin A and pink on Twin B. It really, for me, because their hair is fair and brown, I can see it through the black comb, and I can also see it through the pink comb, so that is no issue at all whatsoever. Then we go on to the Barberless FX, I believe. And we are going to, yes, we're going to hit that front, shape that right up, take off them like baby hairs, just to give them a really defined front, make sure that's nice and shaped properly. So by the end of this video, I want you to tag down which haircut you thought was better personally, Twin A or Twin B. Let me know in the comments down below which one you think was the better haircut. I just genuinely can't believe how long the hair was, and yeah. So as I say, I'm putting a challenge out to all barbers. I'm just trying to think of any YouTube barber now right in my head. You've got, like, I'd say Run Barber, Andrew Does Hair, 360, Chris Bossio, Meme the Barber, Beard Brand, A-Rod. I watched so many, David Fella. All these YouTube barbers, I actually watched so many of them. It just, you know, when you get a brain fart and you don't know who to call out. So yeah, guys, if you know any other YouTube barbers, comment down below, let me know what you think. So the hard part in the haircut, just get them like that. The FX just hit hard, man. I find that I don't need to go over with a cutthroat with them some of the time, because they just hit so hard. So here you can see now I'm taking Twin A's hair higher, because that's kind of the point where he was like, hey, can we go a little bit higher on this? And I was like, yeah, like, hey, no worries, man, we'll take this higher. So then I'm just filtering out these bits and just taking it a little bit higher for him. And now you can see on the back, they're pretty much identical. So starting off with my 2, removing that horrible bulk. Just so long. I like a clear path, man. I like to see where I'm going. I like to see what I'm doing. And then Twin A coming in with a half guard, and Twin B coming in on a half guard. Pretty much identical, laying on top of the occipital bone. The occipital bone on both twins don't stand out at all. Their head shape is quite flat at the back, so it actually blends in really nicely. Like there's no issue. As you can see, it's really funny on Twin A and Twin B, they both have that shadow to the left ever so slightly. That's where you just have both like crevets in their hair. They both have slight divots. So you just spend a little bit more time just making sure you kind of go in a little bit on that little bit, and making sure it's just all out, etc, etc. Just going over, getting out. It's not a race or anything, you know. You take your time. Just, as I say, just keep going over it until it becomes perfect, and that's what I tend to try and do. Well, I wouldn't say perfect. I'd say a 4 out of 10, but you know. I want you guys to give me some challenges as well. So what do you want to see me do next? I haven't done yet the Walmart challenge, or it wouldn't be the Walmart challenge, it would, in the UK would be like the Asda challenge or the TK Maxx challenge, or but yeah guys, if you want to see me do a challenge down below with hair, then let me know what challenge you want to see me do and what challenges I can shout other barbers for, because that'd be good. Just gives my channel some ideas, gives it a little bit of diversity. And guys, what do you think? Like, come on, like, what do you think of my editing? My editing is actually sick on this video. Like, do you know what? I couldn't get my head around how the hell am I going to fit 2 heads in one video, and I'm kind of semi-managed to do it. I apologize for this part because you can't really see the scissor work because I've had to push them together and kind of zoom in a little bit, etc, etc. But yeah, no, like, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. It's alright. I'm completely okay with it. So just a little bit of scissor work in and up in the back, making sure it is nice and both the same length. Now on to my favourite part, the styling. So mousse. Mousse is a must. Mousse is a must. You've got to put mousse in the hair. You have to do that. It's awesome. And then I'm going to use my baby. My baby is back. My Dyson is back. Oh, how I have missed it. I have missed my Dyson so much. Now the twins don't have the straightest hair on top, even though they kind of do want pompadours, which kind of slightly then makes it difficult for me. So you just got to keep blow dry and keep pushing it out, keep getting it as kind of straight as you can, because I don't want to use straighteners on anyone's hair, man. I know how kind of bad they are for people's hair, so I tend to not do straighteners. I would more say someone who's got hair like this, potentially go get a Brazilian blow dry, or I wouldn't say chemically relax it because it's not good either, but a Brazilian blow dry is the way forward. I would say they're really popular at the minute, especially over in London and places like that. If you don't know what a Brazilian blow dry is, then Google it, because I'm not really sure myself. I just know that it turns hair like this dead straight and it's really smooth. I have a couple of customers that get a Brazilian blow dry and they've got really curly hair, and it turns their hair straight and it turns their hair so soft and just really nice and like it's had no chemicals in it. So yeah, Brazilian blow dry, search it up. If you know what it is, comment down below, let me know, because I have no clue what it is. But I just know it works and it's really good. So now on to a little bit of Apothecary 87 pomade clay. So it gives it a slight wet look, a little bit greasy, but that hold as well. It looks like Spider-Man's web at the minute, like. And then I take my spider comb with the big teeth. We just start styling that into place. So guys, as I said before, comment down below, twin A or twin B, which haircut do you think is better personally? I'll be honest, by now I can't really tell. They're kind of looking identical to me. Go boys, the finished product. Again, just quickly guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. The challenges there for absolutely everyone. Make sure you tag me in your challenges. I want to see them all. I'm going to repost the challenges. So yeah, get on it, let me know, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace. Just so people know that there is actually 2 of you. Like, I don't want people thinking I've like filmed the same fucking guy, you know what I mean? Like, oh, I waited for him to get out of the chair and filmed him 6 months later, stuck on the same clothes. There is actually 2 of them, I just thought I'd let you guys know that.